Summers can be a sweltering time of year, and you'll find yourself reaching for the air conditioner or a fan at every opportunity. The oppressive heat may make you crave an endless supply of refreshing carbonated beverages. Outside temperatures are beyond our control, but we can keep cool on the inside by eating healthy, robust vegetables. If you eat unhealthy foods during summer, then you might get sick like stomach issues. Here are top 10 some vegetables to help you from the hot summer season. Number 1. Gourd. Gourd is very beneficial in the summer season. It contains potassium, sodium and vitamin C as well as essential nutrients and plenty of water. It will also prove helpful in reducing your weight. Gourds, in addition to being high in water, are also high in calcium, making them beneficial for the bones. It has long been used as a home cure for gastrointestinal problems, high cholesterol, and blood sugar regulation. Number 2. Cabbage. In the summer season, cabbage vegetable will help in your digestion and will also get rid of constipation. It is full of fiber and nutrients. Also may reduce blood pressure. It helps lower cholesterol level. So it would be good vegetable during summer season. Number 3. Green beans. Summertime is the best time to eat green beans. They're not just light, but they're also high in fiber, which aids digestion. They also contain minerals including protein, iron, zinc, and antioxidants, as well as vitamin K, which is important for bone health. Because of its low-calorie content, this delectable vegetable is a popular addition to a variety of weight loss programs. Because it is grown all year, it is one of the most widely accessible vegetables on the market. Number 4. Green leafy vegetables. Leafy vegetables such as spinach leaves and mint are just a few examples of healthy leafy vegetables to eat during the summer. These are flexible kitchen ingredients that can be used in soups, salads, juices, and a variety of other dishes. Minerals such as iron and calcium are abundant in green leafy vegetables, the darker the better. They're also great for summer because they're high in water, high in folates, and easy on the stomach. Number 5. Cucumber. One of the most popular vegetables during summer times, different types of cucumber are full of benefits in their own right. It is helpful in retaining moisture in the body by protecting it from dehydration, as well as it is also helpful in protecting against the wrath of heat. Number 6. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are classified as a vegetable. Tomatoes will always remain an important vegetable during summer, regardless of its identity crisis. Tomatoes are heroes when it comes to battling the summer heat, whether eaten raw in salads and juices, or cooked in curries and sauces. Tomatoes are a fantastic method to stay hydrated, especially if consumed fresh, because they contain 90% water. Tomatoes are also high in antioxidants such as lycopene and a good source of vitamin C and K, potassium, and calcium. Number 7. Pumpkins. Pumpkins are high in vitamin A, which helps to build your immune system and protect you from sickness. Pumpkins also contain beta-carotene, an antioxidant that aids in the prevention of heart disease and regulates body temperature. Number 8. Peppers. A phytochemical that gives peppers their hot and characteristic flavor is abundant in peppers. The substance increases your metabolism, improves digestion, assists weight reduction, and is commonly used to treat discomfort. Peppers are high in vitamins and antioxidants, making them an important part of your summer diet. Number 9. Brinjals. Brinjals are high in fiber, making them beneficial to gastrointestinal health. Furthermore, brinjals include flavonoids, vitamins, potassium, and other nutrients that all contribute to general wellness. Number 10. Carrots. Carrots are high in beta-carotene, which aids in the manufacture of vitamin A, which is incredibly beneficial to the eyes. Vitamin B6, magnesium, folic acid, and antioxidants are also abundant in carrots. They're also high in fiber, which makes them easy to digest. They're especially good on hot days when you want something light. Also, there are several vegetables you can eat at summer, like sorrels, sweet potatoes, okra, berries, avocado. So, If you find this helpful, then like this video, share this video, comment your favorite vegetable. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.